Welcome, today I'm with Realme C25Y and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. In my case, the Google Feeds are activated, and right now just swap with your finger to the right side, and here on the right upper corner tap to this icon and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the general section, and here you got the Google Discover switcher. Just tap here on the switcher to turn off the Google Feeds. And right now, if you can see that our Google Feeds are deactivated, and just to turn on this function by the same way, go to the settings, the general option, and here just tap on the Discover switcher. And now, as you can see, our Google Feeds are activated now. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.